So you might be in a situation where for some reason Instagram just keeps deleting stories. Now, what does this mean? Well, essentially, it could mean a couple things. So the first thing I'd recommend doing is taking a look at your stories up here. And you have to remember that the stories delete after 24 hours. So if your stories that you're watching or that you've posted are, past 24 hours, well, that is basically going to be the main issue here. So what you're going to want to do is just understand if these stories have been out for another, 24 hours. Well, that's probably the issue, and that's basically why they're being deleted. However, if you're posting a story, right, you're posting a story like this, and your stories keep getting deleted no matter what you're posting, well, that could possibly mean a couple things. One, either the story didn't finish uploading, so you may just want to go ahead and stay on Instagram for a little bit before your device actually is done actually uploading the story before you hop out of it. Or two, maybe what you're posting is against, Instagram guidelines. So this happens a lot. A lot of people will post a specific story on Instagram, and either the story will get deleted, but every time it gets deleted from Instagram's side, they will usually give you some sort of message. So that typically is exactly why this ends up happening. So what you're going to want to do here for the most part is just go ahead and see what you're actually posting. If you're posting a bunch of crazy stuff that's against Instagram's time, services in terms of service, that is basically going to be the main reason. It's going to be the main issue here. So what you're going to want to do is make sure you're not posting anything against, Instagram's guidelines. And if that's not the case either, you may just want to go ahead and update your Instagram application. So go inside of Instagram, or not your settings, go inside of your app store like this, and you want to go and search up Instagram. So go and click on Instagram just like this. And all you want to do is just go and update this application. A lot of the time, that's pretty much all you're going to have to do. And almost every single time I do this, it pretty much fixes all the issues I have. So if that's still not working, you may just want to make sure Instagram's not down. You can go to like downdetector.com, isitdownrightnow.com, one of these types of websites, or the comment section of this video. If Instagram is on here, if it's like number 1 or number 2, well, that's probably going to be the main reason why the Instagram is down, and you're just going to have to wait it out. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, till then.